Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a chat on Snapchat without deleting the messages. So, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, find the conversation you want to hide from the list. Tap and hold on that chat until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on Chat and Notification Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Clear from Chat Feed. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear telling you that this will only remove the chat from your main list but won't delete the messages. Tap on Clear to confirm. Now your chat will be hidden from the chat screen. If you want to find it again, tap on the search icon at the top and type the person's name or username. Tap on their profile, and your full conversation will open again with all messages. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.